Today, we're diving deep into everything we know about the DJI NEO 2, from the latest FCC certification progress to its buzzing specs, enhanced performance, and what's likely to hit store shelves soon. Strap in for an in-depth breakdown with a revitalized tone, added search-friendly terms, and a unique spin to ensure this content ranks high for drone enthusiasts and tech aficionados alike. FCC certification sparks momentum with the recent FCC approval in the United States. DJI NEO 2 has officially entered the fast lane toward release. This regulatory nod not only confirms the drone's existence but also offers early clues about its capabilities. It's a pivotal milestone for both tech media and potential buyers tracking the drone's imminent debut. Staying featherlight and rules-compliant, one defining trait of the original NEO was its ultra-lightweight build, firmly under 250 g, designed to bypass stringent drone registration laws globally. Rumors now suggest the NEO 2 preserves this lightweight frame, keeping it legal in many regions and ideal for travelers, beginners, and content creators seeking hassle-free aerial flexibility. Tougher, smarter propeller guards. Word on the street is that DJI is upgrading the NEO 2 with dual-layer prop guards, enhancing crash resistance. For novices eager to practice aerial footage without fear of minor damage, this rugged design should offer added peace of mind. Upgrading imaging quality. The most exciting whisper in the rumor mill? A major camera overhaul. While early speculation hinted at a 1-inch sensor, current leaks lean toward a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, significantly larger than the original NEOs. This jump promises superior low-light capability, richer dynamic range, and overall cleaner imagery, perfect for aerial videography and photography buffs. Cinematic 4K video at 60 FPS if you're aiming to produce smooth, cinematic clips. The rumored support for 4K at 60 frames per second is especially appealing. Combine that with rumored AI-powered image enhancements and upgraded onboard processing, and the NEO 2 could offer truly pro-level footage in a compact, entry-level package. Enhanced battery life. FCC documentation suggests NEO 2's battery specs: 11.6 Wh at 7.16 V, translating to a capacity bump of about 10.7% over the original. That should extend flight endurance from roughly 18 minutes to an estimated 20 to 25 minutes, a meaningful extension for capturing extended flight scenes or multiple quick shots. AI-enabled smart flight modes. DJI has a tradition of integrating smart, user-friendly flight modes, and the NEO 2 appears to be no exception. Leaks point to AI-powered automated maneuvers and creative flight paths that let even newbie pilots achieve pro-looking footage with minimal effort. Advanced obstacle avoidance. Safety is key, especially for beginner pilots. Reports suggest the NEO 2 might boast front, rear, and downward sensors, offering stronger obstacle detection than the first gen. That enhancement could dramatically reduce crash risks for improvised flight attempts. Next-gen transmission system. Reliable live feed delivery is essential for creative control. Rumors hint at DJI deploying a next-gen video transmission protocol, possibly a streamlined version of their O4 system or an upgraded Wi-Fi alternative, optimizing both range and signal stability. Estimated pricing strategy. The launch pricing is still under wraps, but speculation places NEO 2 between $299 to $349, a slight premium over the original yet still wallet-friendly. That pricing would place it squarely against rivals like the Autel Nano SE, strengthening DJI's hold on the sub-250G market segment, where NEO 2 fits in DJI's bigger portfolio. DJI's development lineup reportedly includes products like the Osmo Action 6, Osmo Nano, and a highly anticipated Osmo 360 camera, potentially set to challenge Insta360's lead. Among these, NEO 2 distinguishes itself by focusing squarely on a demographic that craves portability, performance, and affordability without stepping into pro-level territory. Anticipated release timeline. With the FCC stamp in place, we're likely months, not years, away from the NEO 2 going live. The growing leak network and rising media chatter strongly suggest a near-term launch, potentially slated for late 2025 or early 2026.